Every day since 1911, Tramontina has striven to develop high-quality, excellent products. Focused on consumers all over the world, the manufacturing units employ technology and infrastructure at the service of a leading brand that exports to more than 120 countries. A Tramontina Elettrichi operates in different segments, manufacturing items under the Tramontina brand and supplying aluminum die casting parts. For producing die casting parts, the Tecnopeças division uses certified raw material that undergoes rigorous quality controls. The customer's products rely on the technical support of Tramontina in the development of production tools, which makes use of its knowledge and has its own mold center for preventive maintenance. Aluminum alloys go through a degassing process to remove possible dross, improving the performance of final parts. Production is fully automated without human interference. Automatic deburring enables repeatability of operation and higher quality of the pieces. Shot blasting ensures uniform surfaces. When necessary, a vacuum system is used to help eliminate possible porosities and better fill the products. To facilitate part extraction, tools have release agent applied by robots. The dies work with thermal control, giving the process enhanced stability, and temperature control for raw material ensures better quality of the finished product. In machining, hydraulic clamping devices, tools, and machines ensure precision and repeatability in the process. To aid dimensional control of products, the cutting fluid is thermally controlled. Inspections and dimensional controls of parts are performed in all stages of the process. According to the customer-specific requirements, component assembly and quality testing are carried out. Before producing a batch, die casting samples go through X-rays in order to visualize potential defects, enabling fine-tuning of die casting parameters. A Tramontina Elettrichi has laboratories for product inspection, control, and certification located in the CEPEGI. Several tests are performed there, according to customer-specific requirements and specifications. A Tramontina Elettrichi, through its spacious modern facilities, is constantly evolving. Working in compliance with quality standards and using precise, safe, and technological processes, the company guarantees the performance and productivity of manufactured parts. It is a commitment to doing things well, together.